This video will cover the installation of the IPD non-turbo stainless steel exhaust system into a 1990 Volvo 245. Start by removing the protective plastic cover from the muffler and resonator. There will likely be some plastic under the joined sections which you will not be able to remove. Don't worry about this too much, as they will melt off as you drive the car over a period of time. Just do your best to remove all visible plastic. Next, you will want to place a jack stand under the forward pipe ahead of the resonator. Apply lubricant to the front resonator joint and unscrew the clamp. Depending on the level of rust present, this assembly might just break apart as it did here. Unhook the pair of rubber hangers from the chassis and attempt to dislodge the resonator from the forward pipe. I used a mallet for this objective. Disconnect the pair of rubber hangers on the rear muffler to allow the exhaust system to fall to the ground. In my circumstance, the resonator separated from its joint due to the level of rust present. I applied heat to the joint to break up some of the rust and loosen it from the forward pipe. Then I used a crowbar, standard screwdriver, and hammer combination to remove the joint. Remove the old exhaust system from underneath the car and use it as a template to assemble the new stainless steel exhaust system. Position the new exhaust under the car. Connect the front resonator to the forward pipe. Secure, but do not fully tighten the clamp. Reconnect the pair of rubber hangers to the chassis. Raise the rear muffler into position and also secure with a pair of new rubber hangers. Then, work your way back from the front resonator to the rear muffler, tightening and securing each clamp. And you're done. Enjoy your new stainless steel exhaust system in your Volvo 240.